case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2016, the United States v. Carey saga was set forth before the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. The case took center stage in exploring the boundaries of the Wiretap Act in relation to the admissibility of evidence collected from wiretap surveillance. The web of drama began to unfold when federal agents flagged a phone number in San Diego on suspicion of its use in drug-related activities. Despite finding no illicit activity by the primary user of the phone, agents continued to eavesdrop on other individuals they presumed might have collision with the drug conspiracy. Among these unaccredited listeners was Michael Carey, whose intercepted conversations led to his charged conspiracy to distribute cocaine. Standing his ground, Carey contended that the wiretapped evidence was inadmissible, as the federal agents had no authorized permission to wiretap his calls or those of his associates. Essentially, the legality of the surveillance depended on whether it was within the government's right to continue listening to individuals who were unrelated to the original suspect of the drug conspiracy. The Wiretap Act stipulates that surveillance must cease once the government is conscious that the party under surveillance has no alignment with the targeted conspiracy. Taking this into consideration, the court ruled that accidentally overheard evidence may be permissible under the plain hearing doctrine. Nevertheless, unlawful eavesdropping of irrelevant individuals was not permissible. In Carey's scenario, the court deemed the government's tactic of wiretapping unauthorized calls to gather evidence as illegal. Reiterating the court's ruling, interference on the wiretapped line which doesn't involve the target conspiracy should be halted. This implies that only evidence obtained in compliance with the plain hearing doctrine can be leveraged by the government. With its decision cast, the court returned the case to the district court to apply the correct legal standard and settle the dispute. The curtain hasn't fallen on United States v. Carey just yet, with the district court tasked with deciding whether any of the evidence should indeed be suppressed. It is poised to be a landmark case that will define the limits of surveillance and privacy rights in America.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.